So we were looking for a better way to preserve some of our fresh food. So we decided that we would start to do some vacuum sealing with our mason jars, which you can put fresh foods in, as well as bags. While we are trying to live a little bit healthier lifestyle, we are also trying to save money by preserving our fresh foods for longer. So using a vacuum sealer is a great way to do that. Beatish reached out and asked if I would like to try their vacuum sealer. It comes with 2 sizes of lids, the smaller and the larger mouth for mason jars, as well as 2 of the sealable bags. We've used sealable bags before in the past, but we've never used vacuum seal lids for mason jars. So mason jars obviously can be used for so many things. Right now I'm seeing a lot of people doing like layered salads in them, and which is a great idea. So super simple to use. It does have a rubbery gasket on the inside and a release on the top. But to use it, you just make sure your jar lip is really clean. Place it in the spot where it needs to be and push the power button. It very quickly adheres with suction to the top and does the magic where it removes the air out of the jar and it will seal this lid to the jar. One of the nice things about this product is it is USB-C rechargeable, which I always love. It does come with a basic cord and no cube. It's easy to use. You put it in place, push the button, and it does the rest. It's doing a little, not a countdown, but a count up, telling you how long it takes for it to remove the air and seal the lid. We've only used the smaller lids so far. I don't have any large mason jars, but when I get some, we will definitely use those. So it has finished. It stops automatically. You simply remove it, and we are suctioned. When you're ready for it to come off, you simply pop this open. Listen. You can hear that it lets the air out, and then it opens very easily. So keeping this on your kitchen counter would be smart, so that when you use something out of a jar, you simply just place it right back in its spot, press the button, and it reseals. So let's try the bags. I've not tried their bags yet. Like I said, I have tried some bags, but I've not tried these. For some strange reason, watching the air get sucked out of these vacuum seal bags is very satisfying to me, and I don't know why. But again, it's super easy. It's got that same circle. Simply place it where it goes, push that button, and you can literally see the air being sucked out. It's awesome. So as you can see, it's literally suctioned on there as it's doing the job. Done. Take it off. There is no air left in that bag at all. But again, it's simple to open your bag. You're just going to break that seal and you're ready to go.